What is EARTH? It stands for Electronic Appliance Recovery using teams of humans and robots. And I really want to stress that word, teams. This whole system isn't about kicking people out of the job. It's the exact opposite. It's about combining AI vision and advanced robotics with human oversight to make the whole process safer and way more efficient. Specific, focusing on one item you might not expect, the humble microwave oven. And as you're about to see, taking one of these apart is way more dangerous than you think. And you can really see the difference between the old way and the new right here. On the left, that's what's happening now. It's fully manual. A person has to deal with sharp metal edges and parts that can still hold a seriously dangerous electrical charge. It's slow, it's risky, but on the right, that's the future Earth is building. You have a human and a robot working together. The robot handles all the nasty, dangerous bits, which makes the whole process way safer and a whole lot more efficient. So yeah, the old way isn't just inefficient, it's completely broken. Think about it. Workers are dealing with constant physical strain and the risk of electric shock. It's no wonder it's hard to hire people for this job. You can only get through about 25 microwaves in an hour because they're all a little different, and you get zero data back from the process. But the biggest issue, people are manually yanking out heavy transformers and those dangerous capacitors that can still pack a punch. Now, to solve a problem this complex, you need a pretty special team. So on one side, you've got the industry giant SUEZ, and they're driving the change. As one of the biggest names in waste management, SUEZ is the engine behind improving DEE processing, continuously investing in innovation to optimize their workflows. What sets them apart? They put operator well-being at the very core. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating better solutions to tackle the real challenges of DEE processing. And on the other side, you've got the innovator, euroDAO. These guys are the tech wizards. They're a smaller, specialized company that just lives and breathes robotics, AI, and computer vision. They're the ones bringing the high-tech tools needed to build this thing from the ground up. This table really lays it all out. It's a formal partnership. You've got euroDAO, the nimble tech provider, actually coordinating the whole project. And then you have SUEZ, the massive industrial company, defining the exact problem they need solved. Okay, so here's how the envisioned workflow goes. First, the human operator preps the microwave and works with the robot to get it into position. Then, the super smart AI camera does a 3D scan to find the hazardous parts, the capacitor and the transformer. Once that's done, the shared control kicks in and the system figures out the best way for them to work together. The robot arm does the really dangerous stuff, the heavy lifting and removing those risky parts. And the whole time, the human operator is watching, monitoring, ready to jump in and make adjustments if needed. It's a real back and forth. And this right here, this is the real innovation. It's how they share control. This isn't just a robot doing some pre-programmed task. This is a dynamic partnership that can adapt on the fly. You realize this is a win for everybody. Workers get safer, more skilled jobs. A business like SUEZ gets a more efficient, cost-effective process. The environment wins because we recover more materials. And for Europe, this is a scalable solution to that massive e-waste crisis, all thanks to this amazing partnership between an innovator like euroDAO, an industry leader like SUEZ, and an enabler like the Jarvis program.